Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kusama recently dropped an update that every Shiba Inu holder needs to be aware of. It's something that we need to do as we prepare for the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution, so make sure to keep watching this video. There are a number of other updates that I will share, so watch till the end. Disclaimer: before we get to the Satoshi update though, there's a Shiba Eternity update that I need to quickly talk about. So we already know that the Shiba Eternity dev team is constantly updating the game to allow users to have the best experience. Well, a new patch for the game has been dropped. The update is called Shiba 1.1.6 changelog, and there are some exciting new features that it introduces. Also, an issue that would have crashed the game has been fixed, so if you play the game, you should definitely go check it out. Now to Satoshi's update. Twitter user Ragnar Shib recently shared an interesting screenshot on his Twitter page. The screenshot shows a message that Satoshi sent on the Shiba Inu Telegram, and it simply reads, "Keep the popcorn on the ready." If you are wondering what this could mean, you are definitely not alone. However, that Satoshi is talking in riddles is nothing new. Anyway, if I were to take a guess, I would say that Satoshi is referring to the launch of Shibarium. If he's asking us to get our popcorn ready, it is probably so that we can enjoy the explosion that will happen once Shibarium is launched. That message also seems to suggest that Shibarium beta will be launched soon, and many people in the comments section of that tweet seem to agree. However, if you think it might be something else, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. You might want to consider though that basically everyone in the Shiba Inu community and many within the wider crypto community is waiting with bated breath for the launch of Shibarium. In fact, the dedicated Shibarium network Twitter handle now has more than 59,000 followers. So it wouldn't make sense for Satoshi to be teasing something else during this period, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. Moving on from that, did you know that crypto hit a new milestone in 2022? A positive one at that. While the crypto market was obviously struggling, many used that as an opportunity to enter the crypto market at an affordable rate. Reports from Crypto.com show that the number of crypto owners reached a staggering 425 million. The company detailed how their analysis is based on a mixture of on-chain data from Bitcoin and Ethereum, survey analysis, and its own internal data. This report confirms the estimation that another company made regarding how many crypto owners there are. News Bitcoin records that another company that recently estimated the number of global crypto owners is AAA. The firm wrote, "As of 2023, we estimated global crypto ownership rates at an average of 4.2%, with over 420 million crypto users worldwide. So 2022 definitely saw more people buying crypto. Thankfully, a decent chunk of that number purchased Shib. If you paid attention to Shiba Inu last year, you know that thousands of people kept joining the Shiba Inu community with their purchases almost every day. Hopefully we see more of this in 2023. Going back to talking about Shibarium, Ledger, the leading hardware wallet provider, has just announced that it will be supporting Shibarium once it is launched. They were asked by a Shiba Inu supporter whether they would be supporting the Layer 2 platform, and they responded in the affirmative, mentioning that Shibarium is already a part of their roadmap. And then they mentioned that we should watch out for updates. As I mentioned earlier, Ledger is the leading hardware wallet provider in the world. So the fact that they are waiting for the launch of Shibarium like the rest of us and have plans to onboard the platform is mind-blowing. What's more, when that onboarding actually happens, it would expose Shibarium to a wide range of audiences, giving it a much-needed boost. This exposure could also see people from a variety of crypto backgrounds decide to build their projects on Shibarium, and that's how Shibarium will grow. Moving on from that, let's talk about Shiba Inu and making money. On this channel, we've talked a number of times about people that made money from their Shib investments simply because they invested at the right time. However, not every Shib investor made millions from their Shib investments, and the reason is simple. A lot of them were paper hands. They sold their tokens at the first sign of distress. If you know the history of Shiba Inu dropping its zeros, you know that it launched with 9 zeros, but then picked up another zero along the way. That additional zero must have scared many investors into selling off their tokens. Unfortunately for them though, the very next year, Shiba Inu pumped and those that decided to hold on became millionaires. That said, this is not me telling you what to do and this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. Moving on from that, A prominent investor and economist has just shared an important chart that he believes every investor should take a look at. The chart, which was just tweeted, is an S&P chart that highlights the dynamic markets that existed over 20 years ago. At least 2 attempts by the market to break out during the dot-com bubble was unsuccessful. According to You Today, considering the high dependency between the traditional and digital assets markets, we might see the exact scenario happening in the foreseeable future as both crypto and traditional assets are slowly reaching local resistance levels, which might confirm Burry's theory. So basically, this expert is saying that the crypto market might try and fail to break out, same as what happened during the dot-com bubble. But do you agree? While you are thinking about that, you might want to consider something that You Today mentioned. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! Also, there's now a membership option on this channel. Becoming a member gives you access to a private group chat with me where we get to discuss crypto gems, finances, and success. If you are interested, hit the membership button. Apparently, investors are less interested in risky assets like cryptocurrencies, equities, etc. as a result of the high interest rates. Retail actors, on the other hand, seize control and begin driving selected assets upward when markets are under intense pressure, and the majority of institutional actors choose to stay out of them. However, without institutional support, meaningful changes cannot happen, and ultimately, all of the purchasing power that surfaced in a down market becomes fuel for an additional downturn. I still want to hear what you think though, and remember that this is not financial advice. Moving on from that, a whale has just bought a Shiba Inu token, and it's not Shib. This whale bought $1.5 million worth of bone, and it is very obvious that this purchase was made in anticipation of the Shibarium launch. This seems more plausible when you consider that this is the first time that this whale is purchasing bone. Since the Shibarium announcement in January, the price of bone has pumped by an impressive 70%, and it is now trading at more than $1. Most likely, the people that are buying bone right now are looking to become validators or delegators on the Shibarium blockchain because you need a lot of bone tokens for that. You need 10,000 bone tokens, just in case you were considering serving as a validator or delegator. Anyway, one more thing before we call it a day here. The creator of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, expects that by 2025, the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies may have undergone a dramatic change. According to him, given the current state of Washington and that 2024 is an election year, we have a 6 to 9 month window this year, and then 2025 is the next one for progress legislatively. Before FTX, I would say 2023, but now I think 2025 is right. Do you agree? Especially considering that the US government has been hovering over the crypto market for a while now. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.